And I got my dude budgie. Look at him. He's a good boy. I was being free, you know. There he is. He's back. We had him for like 2 or 1 month, and he's cool dude. So my school friends know him because I told them about my weekend like a month ago or something, or 2. Look at him. Might be able to. This, he's on my shoulder. I got them cook. Look at, he's on my shoulder. He say hello. Say hello. He's actually kind of cool. And my brother bought him, and I gave him an idea of calling him Dude. And he's a boy, of course. Look at him. Do you want to say something to camera? Oh, you're shy. You're shy. Anyway, he's a really loved pet, like the cockatiel, which is outside, well, in the room, of course, on one of the other birds' cages. Yeah. I wish I could show you, but it's too high. Yeah. Look at my budgie. Let's put him on my outside. Down. 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 He blew away. Once you train him to do step up, you have to keep doing this before he thinks of doing something. So that's a way for him to stop doing. But you can't really do it with cockatiels because, well, my cockatiels, because they get kind of stressed. Budgies, they can do it all day. Before they have a choice, you do that. Join the steps of order. Is that the thing? He goes to Castle. Okay, be back, I'll get him. Good boy. Okay, got him again. He's easier to get him than the cockatiel that's called Soul. This is Dude. And he's really cool with the other ones, except the finches when they get in the way, he just like does something. And when we put like a hang something in there, he always tries to sabotage and put it out. He always does that. In fact, he did it a couple of minutes ago when he was in the cage. Almost right. Good boy. He's a good boy. I look like Captain Hook when I do this. Yes, you are. Anyway, bye guys, and Dude is gonna say hello. Bye bye. Hello. Bye bye.